Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everybody. Welcome to Circuit Breaker Day 3, hashtag CB Day 3. This smallRig item was ordered from the smallRig website on the 5th of April, and today is the 9th of April, and it's arrived. Today I'm going to unbox this item to show you what I have and what I bought. I'm going to start out with the biggest box first, then we'll go down this way. Let's begin. I believe this is the cage. I bought the cage for my XT3. Very well packaged. It comes with the... not sure what is this. Scan the QR code to get a dedicated VIP service from smallRig. Okay, don't need it. And this is the item. Looks cool. I'm going to show you more later. Let's go on to the next box. Okay, let's see what's this. Ah, this is the magic arm. Contains... oh, I think I know what I'm going to do with this. Okay, I will show you more. Oh, it comes with the Allen key too. Okay, forget about this, forget about this. I'm going to show you more about this later. And this is my third box. Yay! Okay, let's see what's this. Again, I don't need the box, the plastic. It's very well packaged, very durable plastic. It comes with the card, don't need it. And oops, I know what's this. This is my handle. Cool. Okay, I'm going to show you more later too. And now for the last box. And what is inside? Okay, inside the box there's this card, don't need it. This bag, again very durable bag. Oh, I know what this is. Let me show you a sneak peek. Ah, can you guess now? Okay, I have everything down here. This is my top handle. All side handles are on the side. This is my XT3 cage. This is my magic arm. And this is the universal smartphone holder. So let me show you one by one. The cage first. This is how it looks like. There are many holes here. Some of them, I think this is called the airy locating pin, where I can put this down here like this, or like this, so that I can fit it on. There is some at the side too. I can fit it over here like this. Or maybe this I don't have, so the bottom look like this. You can use a screwdriver to fix it in. This is this, and you have seen this. Oh, there's a Allen key here, but it's magnetic. Okay, it's not magnetic. It just fit in properly. Oh, it is magnetic. Okay. We have the magic arm, also the airy locating head with the 1/4" screw over here, and lastly the universal handphone holder.